In this video, we'll be exploring the features of the Tornado console and the welcome template that comes bundled with Tornado. If you watched our previous video, you should be at this spot where the status is showing it running. Let's first look at the Templates panel. We can see that there is a folder called Samples that contains one template. This is a template that came bundled with Tornado. If you followed our previous videos, you would have a setup something like this, and you'll see that the Templates folder now contains a Samples folder, which contains this template. Let's open that template and have a look at it together. You can see the template contains these Docmosis fields for date and message. The next panel in the Tornado console is the Data panel. With the Welcome template selected, as shown by the blue highlight, from this data panel, Tornado can query the template and generate XML or JSON data that matches the fields in the template. Further down, the Output panel controls the output format that will be generated, and when generating a PDF, hit the Test button and the generated document will appear to the right. Let's return to the template. Make some simple formatting changes. Save those changes and regenerate the document. The changes are immediately available to Tornado, and they will flow through to the generated document. As well as our Templates folder, we created a working area. In the working area, Tornado has created further directories that it will use in the process of generating documents. Your application should not modify any files in this area. If working with our support team, they may request that you provide logs from Tornado, which can be found here. In the Templates folder, let's make a new folder called Example Templates. And from our resources website, let's download an example template. We'll use this business letter for document generation and download this zip file. The zip file contains a generated document, an example template, and some sample data. Let's copy this business letter template to the example templates folder. If I return to Tornado and click this button to refresh the folder structure, we can see the example templates folder and the business letter example are available to Tornado. With the business letter example selected, we can query the template to generate some sample data that matches the fields in the template. However, the zip file already has some sample business data. So let's copy the sample data and in the Tornado console, paste it into the data panel. Then let's generate a document using this example template. The Tornado console offers a test bed that allows us to rapidly develop templates, change data, and see the effect in the finished documents. In subsequent videos, we encourage you to explore connecting your application to the Tornado API. Thanks for watching.